Henderson Harley-Davidson. Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. The most powerful V-twin engine ever offered from the factory and only available on CVOs. Harley-Davidson 2018 CVO Road Glide. Gunship Gray. Huge 21-inch front wheel. A unique exhaust finish. Advanced audio package featuring full-color touchscreen with voice activation for hands-free mobile phone, media, and navigation. Premium boombox 6.5 infotainment system. Integrated security system with power locking fob. Premium paint scheme. Wireless headset interface module. Call hands-free on your Bluetooth mobile phone. Listen to stereo music or voice instructions of GPS navigations. Test ride it at Henderson Harley-Davidson, your hometown Harley-Davidson dealer.